Okay, curious minds want to know, what is your cruise ship stateroom unpacking personality? What's your style, guys? What is your style when you get in that little tiny cruise ship stateroom? We all know they're limited on size. They're usually about 150 square feet to 175 square feet, something ridiculously small, and it has to be. We live with that. We understand that's what we got to deal with. But everybody has a different style when they travel. Now, are you one of those unhinged people who leave all your clothes in your suitcase and you put your suitcase under the bed, or you stuff it in a closet, and as you need clothes, you just open it up, you lay it on the floor, you go through it, and you get your clothes out you want to wear for that day, and you get dressed, and then you go do your thing, you put the suitcase back in the closet or back under the bed, or you just leave the damn thing in the middle of the floor and you're stepping over it the whole week? Do you do that? Is that you? Or are you one of these people that has to be unpacked? Everything has to go in a drawer. Everything has to have its place. Everything has to be hung up. You hang up everything you can hang up, and the things you can't hang up have to be folded carefully and put into the drawers. And there's limited drawers in those cruise staterooms too. So if you have two people that do that, oh, you're in trouble now. You might not be able to hang everything up and use all the drawers. You might have to have a battle royale over who gets to use the drawers and who gets to hang stuff up. It can be crazy. Now, our style is, Laura hangs almost everything up. She puts the rest of the stuff in drawers. But we use packing cubes. And I know some people get mad about packing cubes. It really pisses people off. We use packing cubes. Oh, I don't use packing cubes. I've been traveling, since the revolution, and I don't need packing cubes. Guys, packing cubes are next level. Even if you are one of those lazy people, I want to call you lazy. I'm not going to judge here. One of those people that don't unpack. Putting your clothes in packing cubes and putting like clothes together, like all your t-shirts, all your polo shirts, your underwear, whatever, your dress shirts, your dress pants. There's different size cubes. If you put all those things together in individual cubes, if you're living out of your suitcase in the middle of the floor in the stateroom, attendant is tripping over it every day, so he's coming in trying to vacuum. Those packing cubes cut corners. Now, what I do, I take all my packing cubes out and I put them in those little shelves that are in the closet, and I just pull my stuff out. I do have a few things I'll hang up. I'll hang up like pants, my Dockers, my dress pants for dinner, and dress shirts. And usually I send them to be pressed, once we get on the ship, because I don't like wearing wrinkled, long sleeve dress shirts. But that's it. That's our style. I have everything kind of like almost in a suitcase, but they're in individual packing cubes. They're stacked up neatly, and I can go in the closet and go, okay, where's my shorts? All right, where's my polo shirts? And buying wrinkle-free clothes, guys. That is the key to traveling. Buy wrinkle-free clothes. Make sure whatever you buy to take on your cruise says wrinkle-free on it, and it will save you a lot of headaches, unless you like being wrinkled. And we're not going to judge you. We're on a cruise. So get out there, have fun. Let me know what you do. Let me know below. Talk to you soon. Bye.